So now let's see how we can work around with customizing of charts inside of Google Sheets. And to do that, I'm going to select the data that I have right here, and then I'm going to click on the insert chart option right here. So once I do that, what happens is that the chart is inserted, and now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go around into the customize section right here. So once I do that, you can see that there's various options that I can choose from. So let's say, for example, you can go around with chart style. You can choose the background color that you wish to add in the background color of just like this. You can go around with the border color as well and select the border color. You can go around with 3D type of a view as well, or maximize everything out right here just like this. So these are the different type of options. You can even reset the layout right here just like this if you don't want that out. You can go around into font selection right here, as you can see as well. So there's different type of options like pie chart, so you can go around with donut hole that you want to go around with. You can work around with different things like slice labels right here just like this, percentage, so you can display it according to how you like it. You can also work around with different type of font right here. You can go around with wide and so forth just like this, and work around with the text color over here as well, just like that. If you were to go around into pie slice, then you can go around right here, choose the different colors over here. So let's say, for example, GameCube, if you don't want it to be green, you can make it red, for instance, or you can make it purple, for instance. You can go around right here and increase the distance between these as well. So let's say, for example, you want distance in PlayStation right here. You can go around, or you can manually type in number as well. So you can see that the displaying of the chart is very flexible right here, and you can go around, change the text right here like test right here, and there you go. You can also go around with different sort of font right here, different sort of font right there, and so forth. You can work around with legend over here as well, left, right, or anything, bottom, and so forth, and then work around with it. If I were to go around into setup, you can go around with different type of pie chart as well, just like that. Not pie chart, but different sort of charts. And then you can work around with the chart style for that one. So you can go around with this one right here, and then you can go for 3D view right here, compare model, maximize this out, and work around with different options according to how you like it. Let's say, for example, there's error bars right here, position. So the amount of options depend upon the chart that you choose. Let's say, for example, if you were to choose this one right here, then it'll be just like that. You choose like this, then you get similar options over here. You can go around right here, and then on the customization section, there's different options that you can work with. Let's say, for example, there's quality, there's line color, and so forth, according to how you like to work around with it. And that is how you can customize charts inside of Google Sheets. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.